Hey everyone, my name is Daniel Christian.
And hi, I'm Scott Shearer. This is Rosie. Rosie helps me out.
Awesome. Yeah, cool. And today we are here to talk about our upcoming sessions at the 365 EduCon, which is the Power Platform Mashups. I like that title.
I love that title, but if I were listening to this video, my question would be, what does it mean? What is a power platform mashup?
So, Scott, when I hear the word mashup, I just get hungry for some reason because I think about potatoes and getting smashed, and that just makes me hungry for some reason.
Hmm.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm
Well,
hungry right now.
well, you're hungry for the technology is what you're hungry for, because I think the big idea in this session is that you can't be looking just at Power Automate. You can't be looking just at Power Apps or any of the other components. Uh, you're missing the boat. The real power in the Power Platform is when you integrate the components together and also integrate with the other parts of M365 or even external services as well.
Yeah, I love how you phrase that. Integration is the key word over here because we can take all these other Microsoft platforms, um, you know, Teams and Dataverse. We can talk about chatbots inside Teams. All of these integration collaborate together, and and I like to just emphasize on what you said is that if you just silo it down to one of the Power Platform service, you are going
Mhm.
to hit a dead end somehow, somewhere. So
Yeah, and
looking at
it's
it
just
together, yeah.
absolutely, and for the most part, you're already paying for a lot of this. Some of you maybe not, but a lot of it you're already paying for, right?
Mhm.
And it's senseless not to use these components together. And to explain all of this in our workshop, I assume that for the 8 hours we're presenting, we're going to be 100% entirely in PowerPoint. Is that your concept as well?
No, 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 no. PowerPoint will be just a little bit of that, maybe just an introduction. But I know the kind of guy you are too. Is we are very demo heavy type of people. So we will be jumping into that really fast.
A couple of slides, and then we will. It's this is going to be a very demo heavy session. And one thing I'll guarantee you is at least one of our demos will head south. We don't know which one, but one of them will. And maybe
Probably
we ought to
will.
do a pool to find out for a prize
Yeah,
for the attendees to figure out which of our demos isn't going to work. But
yeah,
it's going to be demo, demo, demo.
yeah.
Explain the concept, demo. Explain the concept, demo. And we're talking Teams. We're talking Dataverse and more Teams, SharePoint, and all of the, well, I won't say all, but an awful lot of the components that make up M365.
Agreed.
Power BI. Let's not forget Power BI.
RBI.
Power
That's right.
BI integration with Teams. Power BI integration with Power Apps and Power Automate, and all of them integrated with each other. That's the idea here.
Yeah. One thing I'm thinking about, I've been thinking about this a lot because I'm so excited about this upcoming workshop, is that Scott, this is for everyone. Whether you are, just a new person coming into the Power Platform or you've been on the Power Platform for a while, you've been so focused on just Power Apps, Canvas app, or just
Yeah.
the Power Automate. And now, like you're saying that, Daniel, what you said just stuck with me that you are actually coming into some roadblocks over here. Then this is for you. Step outside your comfort zone, start looking at all these other features available. And again, if you
Yeah.
are new in the Power Platform region, again, start new and come in over here and say, okay, I just don't want to get focused or siloed on one of these services. Let me see together what all we can do. So I really think that this is not just for one of those people who've been using it for a while or not siloed towards newcomers. I think it's for everyone because everyone will benefit from this.
Absolutely. It is very easy to get tunnel vision when it comes to Power Platform. I'll admit, I was like that for a long time with Power Automate, but eventually you recognize that you have more than one tool in your toolbox, and you're doing your customers, your clients, a disservice if you don't start pulling out the additional tools. And it can be an overwhelming experience. I mean, you've got to know about Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agents, and on and on. No one's saying that you have to be an expert in each one of these, but at a minimum, you have to recognize the integration opportunities and give yourself a chance to go down new roads and increase your skill set.
Exactly. Right. So I'm super excited about this one. The conference is coming up, and I think with Scott and I together, we're just going to jam big time with the Power Platform, and just have fun.
Absolutely. That's the key. We're going to have a good time. You're going to learn something.
All right. Well, see you all soon. Bye.
See ya and see ya.
Awesome.